You're spending money on ads, on search engine optimization, on content, and every month your agency or your software sends you a report full of impressions, clicks, and engagement rates. But here's the question no one's answering. Which of those things is actually making you money? If you can't answer that with a dollar amount attached to a specific channel, you don't have a marketing dashboard. You have an activity or vanity metrics scoreboard. That's it. The cost of that isn't just confusion. It's spending thousands of dollars on channels that look like they're working, while the one channel that actually is driving revenue gets starved of budget. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a marketing dashboard that connects your ad spend, your website, and your customer relationship management platform. So you can see revenue by channel, not just clicks, step by step. No developer required. Before we get into the how, I want to explain why most business owners are stuck looking at the wrong numbers. The real problem is that your marketing data lives in 5 different places, and none of them talk to each other by default. Your ad platforms track clicks and conversions, but their definition of a conversion is usually a form fill or a page visit. It's not a closed customer in your customer relationship management database. So Platform A says it drove 40 leads, Platform B says 35. Your customer relationship management system has 12 actual customers, and nobody is connecting those customers back to the specific ad campaigns. That's the gap. The tools are doing their job, but no one has connected the dots between them. Most reporting tools intentionally show you what's easy to measure: impressions and clicks, rather than what's important, your bottom line, which is revenue. Building a revenue-focused marketing dashboard comes down to 3 components. I call it the visibility stack. Component 1, the tracking layer. This is how you tag every piece of traffic so you know exactly which platform, campaign, and ad it came from. Component 2, the aggregation layer. This is the dashboard itself, the tool that pulls data from your ad platforms, website, and customer relationship management platform into one place. Component 3, the revenue attribution layer. This connects marketing to sales, so when a lead pays, it's traced back to the specific ad. When all 3 connect, you get closed-loop attribution, a complete picture from the first click all the way to revenue in the bank. Let's start with the aggregation layer. For most businesses, Google Looker Studio, Databox, or Whatagraph are the most practical options. Step 1. Choose your dashboard tool. Looker Studio is free and powerful. Databox offers a more polished experience if your budget allows. Step 2. Connect your data sources. You'll want, at minimum, Google Analytics 4, your ad platforms, and your customer relationship management platform like HubSpot or Salesforce. Step 3. Build your core revenue view. Create a page with 5 metrics: sessions, leads, cost per lead, customers closed, and revenue. Now, what feeds the dashboard? That's where UTM parameters come in. It's just a tag at the end of a URL that tells you exactly where a visitor came from. Instead of a plain link, your ad uses a tagged URL. When someone clicks, Google Analytics captures the source, medium, and campaign automatically. The critical step is capturing those UTM values in your customer relationship management system. Add hidden fields to your lead forms so the source data is stored on the contact record. So now you have the data. Decision 1, cut what isn't earning revenue in 90 days. Decision 2, double down aggressively on what works. Decision 3, fix conversion gaps. Sometimes the data shows your marketing isn't broken. Your sales process is. The data tells you where to look. Most businesses are flying without instruments. A revenue marketing dashboard is your instrument panel. It ensures you're never making decisions blind. If you want help getting this right, I'm offering a free marketing revenue audit. No logins, no obligation, and it takes less than 10 minutes. The link is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe for more data-driven growth strategies. I'll see you in the next one.